Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel Chapter 7 Simulation Exam. I will guide you through this exam step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can run your exam by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quiz, or complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can handle all online courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, writing, and many more courses. Please contact me if you need help in any assignment, and if you want to read for a complete course, I will be available 24 hours and I will handle your complete course. Let's start our exam to solve it step by step. In cell I7, insert the comparing function to calculate the cumulative principal for the first payment of the loan. Convert the comparing result to positive number. Okay, you can see first this question, and then we will click on cell I7 and then insert the comparing function to calculate the cumulative principal for the first payment of the loan. Convert the result to positive number. This exam will be available on PSN in your portal. It's online exam. I just record when I done this exam to my other student and he got A plus grade. Click on cell I7, press is equal to, and then enter comparing function. Is equal to, and then enter comparing function. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quiz, or complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. Okay, comparing function. I am doing this exam very slow because my all student will be understand very well. Please subscribe my channel. I will help you in your future. I will upload complete course on my YouTube channel. If you do not ever do this course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course. Okay, enter comparing function, and then after 3 APR periodic rate, and then after 4 hash of payments in F4, periodic rate in F3, and then after 2 is loan. Then A7 payment number 1 and A7, then 0. Okay, then close it. Sorry, 7, then 0, and then close, then press enter. It will be find cumulative principal in cell I7. Okay, this is done. Now copy the function I7 to the range I8 to I42. Complete the comparing columns. Okay, we will copy the function I8 to I42. I8 to I42. Okay, first question is done. Now moving on next question. Insert the switch function to the cell F9 that looks up the city in cell C9 and switches the city for region. The function should switch for $2 Dallas for F4, Denver for F2, and Portland for F3. Okay, click on cell F9, and then the switch function for F9 that look up the C9. Please follow my video to got A plus grade to my art students. If you do not able to do this assignment, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete exam and complete course for you with A plus grade. Press is equal to, and then enter switch function in cell F7, F9. Here is switch function. And C9, city in the cell C9, then F$2, okay, Chennai for F$2 and Dallas for F$4. F2 and then in type here Dallas in inverted commas, Dallas, inverted commas, close it, and then F$4, okay, then we will enter in inverted commas Denver, enter Denver, and then F$2, Denver for F$2, and at the end is Portland for F$3. Tap Portland for F$3. For F$3, okay, then press enter. It will be find region in cell I9. Okay, first we enter this formula and then we will press enter, and then it will be find all regions here. Okay, copy the function F9 to the paste function to the F10 to F33 using the paste formula option. Press escape. Okay, we will copy the function to the F9 and then paste the function in the range F10 to F33. Okay, F10 to F33. You can copy for this function and then we will paste F10 to F33, F10 to F33, and then we will press escape button. Paste here, copy and paste here, and then we will press escape button. Okay, this question is done now. Now moving on next question. Select the non-adjacent range I2 to I6 and K2 to K6 and insert field map. Basically in this question we will insert these two ranges and then we will insert a field map. First range is I2 to I6 and second range is K2 to K6 and then insert field map. Please follow my video to get A+ grade. If you do not able to do this exam or if you do not able to do this course, please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete exam, complete assignment and complete course for you with A+ grades and very reasonable price. Okay, I2 to I6 first range and press Ctrl and enter second range K2 to K6 and then click on insert tab. Simply go to the insert tab. Then click on maps. Then click on maps. Okay, then insert field map is here. Then insert field map. Okay, tap payroll by state as the chart title and click the chart area. Okay, click on chart title and then we will tap payroll by state as the chart title. You can select this or you can tap here payroll payroll by state in the chart title. Payroll by stats, payroll by state. Okay, you can tap this payroll by state and then press payroll by state. Okay, this is done now, and click the chart area, cut the selected map chart and paste into H19. Right click on this and go to the home tab, and you can cut this chart. Select this chart and then go to the home tab and you can cut it, or you can right click on this and cut and paste. You can here cut it and paste this chart in H19. Click on cell H19 and then we will paste this chart in cell H19. Click on cell H19 and then we will paste this chart in H19. Okay, display the format data series task pane and display the map label for best fit. Only keep the format data series task pane open. Okay, first we will display the format data series task pane and then display the map label for best fit only, and keep the format data. Okay, right click on this format data series task pane open. Okay, map area only one region, sorry, automatic map area is, and label is best fit only. Okay, with the formatted series task pane open, change the series color to diverging 3 color. Select yellow as the minimum lowest value fill color and then select red as the and then select red as the highest value for color. Okay, change the diverging color, series color, and then we will change this diverging color and minimum for minimum color is that minimum for lowest value. Select this yellow and maximum for red. Okay, this is good now. Okay, this question is done now. Now moving on next question. Insert the year function in cell G9 to extract the year from the hire date for the first employee. Click on cell G9 and then we will insert year function in cell G9 to extract the year from the date for the first employee. Click on cell G9 and then insert year function in cell G9. Press is equal to and then we will insert year function in cell G9 to extract the year from. Press is equal to and then enter year function. Enter year function and then cell D9 hire date, then press enter. We will find year hired in cell G9. Okay, then we will insert year function in cell H9 to calculate the difference between the first employee's hire date cell D9 and the last days of the year date in cell L2. Okay, click on cell H9 and then we will enter year function. Year frag function in cell H9. Okay, please follow my video to get A+ grade. If you do not able to do this exam, or if you do not ever do this course, please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete exam, complete assignment and complete course for you with A+ grades. I am also handling many students courses from USA, Canada and many more countries on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard and many more colleges, universities and websites. Okay, enter is equal to and then enter year frac function in cell H9. Okay, year frac function in cell H9 and then we will enter this year to L2 date D9 higher date and then L2 days of year date is L2 last date of year add L2 then press enter. It will be find year employer in cell H9 then okay then press enter. Okay, this is done. Now change the reference of L2 in the year frac function to the mixed reference L$2. Okay, now we will change the reference of L2. Click on L2 year frac function to the mixed L$2. Okay, enter L$2 and then press enter. Okay, select the range G9 to H9, the range containing the year and year function and use autofill to copy the function to the range G10 to H33. Select fill without formatting and preserve the formatting including borders. Okay, you can select this range G9 to H9 and use autofill to the copy through G10 to H33. You can select and scroll down or you can fill autofill to the copy through G10 to the H33, G10 through H33. Okay, right click on this and then select without formatting, fill without formatting, fill without formatting. Okay, this question is complete. Now calculate the periodic interest rate in cell F3. Click on cell F3 and then we will calculate the periodic interest rate in cell F3. Press is equal to and then enter formula. Calculate the periodic rate is equal to B3 APR divided by okay D3 B3 divided by D3 PMT per year. Then press enter. It will find periodic rate in cell F3. Okay, B3 divided by D3. Then press enter. Now calculate the total number of payment in cell F4. Press is equal to and then we will calculate the total number of payment in cell F4. Press is equal to then is equal to D2 years. Okay, calculate the total number of payment in cell F4. For calculate the total number of payment in cell F4, first we enter D2 years multiplying by D3 PMT per year. Then press enter. It will define hash of payments. Calculate total number of payments in cell F4. Then we will press enter. It will be fine. Now in cell F2 insert a function to calculate the percent value of auto loan. The function should return a positive number. Click on cell F2, insert the function to calculate the percent value of auto loan. You can see on my big screen I am doing this exam very slow because my all students will be understand very well. Okay, and they follow my video and they do their exam and they got a plus grade. If you do not ever do this exam, please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete exam for my all student with a plus grade and give you very reasonable prices, and I will handle your complete course. Please contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Okay, in cell F2 press is equal to and then insert the function to calculate the percent share PV function, and then F3 periodic rate, and then F4 hash of payments. Subtract from B2 payments, then press enter. It will find loan. Okay, question is done now. Now moving on next question. Insert J3 insert the counting function to calculate the number of employees who work in Wyoming as indicated by the state observation Y. Use mixed references C2 to C26 for the range. Use fill I3 as the criteria. Basically in this question we will enter as a counting function at cell J3. Okay, enter a counting function cell J3, press is equal to and then enter counting function to calculate the number of employees who work is Wyoming as indicated by the states. Count a function to calculate the number of employees who work is Wyoming as indicated by the state abbreviation WY. Okay, C dollar 2 C2 to C26. Use mix cell references in cell C2 to C26. Okay, use cell I3 as the criteria. Cell I3 as the criteria, then press enter. Then press enter in cell J3. Okay, copy the count function J3 to the range J4 to J6 to the count number of employees in the other states. Okay, we will copy the function J3 to the range J4 to J6, count the number of employees in other states. You can copy this function through J4 to J6. Okay, question is completed now. Now moving on next question. In cell H7 insert the compute function to calculate the cumulative interest for the first payment. Convert the PMT result to a positive number. Okay, in cell H7 insert the PMT function to calculate the number of interest for first payment. Okay, after 3 periodic rate, after 2 loans, and then after 4 is Sahasha payments, and then after 2 loans, after 3 sorry again periodic rate, f2 is loans, then 8 or 7 payment number first, then a7. Okay, you can see on my PC screen, then 0, then press enter. Cumulative interest will be found in cell h7 is here, then press enter. Okay, copy the function in H7 down the range H8 to H42, complete component columns. Okay, you can see this. I have done 85% of this exam. For remaining question, if you want to do for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can handle all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, writing, Java, Python, C++, and many more courses. I am also handling many student courses from USA, Canada, and many more countries on Pearson, Cengage, Blackboard, and many more colleges and universities. Please contact me for your A plus grade. I will help you in future. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. I will upload complete course on my YouTube channel and you will help through my videos. Thanks for watching my video. Best of luck to my art student. Thank you so much.